Welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. You haven't heard from me in quite a while, as you could not see from no videos. And instead of working on one of the cars, we decided to spend a weekend in the region Harz. This is the Harzer Hochstraße from Clausthal-Zellerfeld to Braunlage. Well, what's going on? Not a lot. All cars are working fine. The W126 is back in the garage. Streets are wet and salty, also in northern Germany, so no driving with that one. The 190D is in daily use, performing just fine. For this trip we decided to take this E350 CDI station wagon because the dog is with us in the back. And this car is having quite some issues, as for example the command control knob down here does not work anymore. I mean, it works, you can push it, you can turn it, but it does nothing. And already saw a YouTube video on that one, how to fix it, and I guess I will do that. And also this morning the car surprised us in not starting very well after sitting 2 days in the cold. Right now we have 0 degrees centigrade, which is 32 Fahrenheit, so freezing, and it didn't want to start quite well. It did eventually, but I guess we're in for a new battery. So countryside, a bit covered in snow. That's the actual reason why we wanted to go here. The little sleigh is in the back, and yeah, we are looking for some more snow. Driving up the hill, as you can see, the woods are destroyed. That's no news for this region. Not enough water during summer, hot summers, and yeah, all the woods terribly destroyed. The region is doing what they can to reforest it all. Yeah. Trees damaged by the Balkenkiefer. Yeah, unfortunately, it's mid-March and it is snowing, and that's what we came for. And I'm looking forward to maybe even some snow-covered roads. Sweetness heart isn't, I guess. But I'm absolutely happy about this weather. Snow, it's cold, and let's see if we even find some more beautiful roads. So, indeed, we could enjoy the last of snow, and herewith I officially declare winter is over for northern Germany. We will now pack up, drive home, and that also means for the W126 that it can get out of the garage again. So our plan to show some more beautiful snowy winterly roads utterly failed. As you could see up there, we still had some snow. Here now we have 0 degrees and it's turning warmer. Snow is melting, and we're going to head home. If we see something nice, we will show you. Otherwise, I say, stay safe and healthy, and see you in another video. Bye.